In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a new account in Mobile Legends. We will create a new account without clearing the app's data, so you will not lose your resources. Now let's begin. First, we need to download an app. Let's close my Mobile Legends app. And now let's go to Google Play Store or Apple Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for the app called Parallel Space. Here's the app, let's install it. Now we have already installed the app, let's go back to home page and it is now here. Let's open it. Click on agree and continue. Continue again and allow all requests. Click on start. Now here, just check the Mobile Legends app to add it to clone apps. Let's check it. And once done, click on add to parallel space. Accept the permission. Click on Mobile Legends icon. We are almost done. We need to install the second app called Parallel Space 64-bit support. Click on install. And install the second app. We have already installed the second app. We don't need to open it. Let us just go back to the first app. And finally, to create a new Mobile Legends account, click on Mobile Legends icon. Click on grant and allow all requests. Enter the name you want for your new Mobile Legends account. Select your country and your gender. Once done, click on OK.